Hey everybody, this is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Thursday, April 13th. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I got an email from Apex Trader Funding. They're having a 90% off sale. So I think I've seen this come out maybe once or twice since being an Apex member. So I thought I'd put up a quick video and just share the good news. So what you'll see when you use my discount code, uh, you'll see a 90% off at purchase and 80% off at renewal. So this is a great deal. So if you are doing an evaluation, maybe you're not doing so well, and you're thinking about maybe resetting the account, instead of doing that, just go ahead and cancel it, and then buy a brand new account at 90% off. That's going to be way cheaper than paying any sort of reset fee. So if you're close to that, I would recommend just cancel the account and then open up a new one. And you can purchase up to 20 accounts per trader, so you can get 20 Apex accounts. And the cool thing is that you can mix and match. So if you want to do Rhythmic accounts, you can do that. Or if you want Tradovate accounts, you can do that. Or you can purchase one or the other. So it's pretty cool. You can order both types of accounts, and I'll talk about that here in a minute on some of the advantages. As part of the flash sale, Apex is giving away 10 100K funded accounts. It's a random drawing, so you just never know. But hey, why not give it a shot and see how it goes? The sale ends April 20th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so make sure that when you enter the code, you verify the price the before you enter your credit card information. Just double check that it took the discount so you get your 90% off. Because if you get charged full price, Apex will not refund you. So that you just need to be aware that does not, you're kind of stuck with an account at full price. So make sure that the um, that has accepted the code, and you get your discount. And if for whatever reason, let's say you get close to the end and you fail the eval and you're coming up for renewal, you can just let it renew at 80% off, which is pretty darn good. So I did the math on a Tradovate 300K account with 90% off. It comes out to like $73, and that includes tax. So that's pretty good. I haven't done the math on a 50K account, but my guess is going to be like $40, something like that. When once you include tax, it's going to be really affordable. If you're using automation like I do, this is a good way to, uh, you know, fire up your bot, give it a shot, and see if you can get yourself funded. I mean, this is really affordable, low risk to do that. If you have your own brokerage account, maybe you take a break from your account, and then you can switch over to Apex and give that a shot. That's one other way to trade. Or if you're a manual trader and you don't have any a bot of any kind and you're just a manual trader, this is again a great way to put your skills to the test and run an Apex account on NinjaTrader 8. And like I said, sale ends on April 20th. So the big question now is, should you select Rhythmic or should you select Tradovate? You can run both at the same time. So if you have existing Rhythmic accounts, you can connect your data connection, and you can also engage your Tradovate data connection. So you can actually, theoretically, I haven't done this. I'm not sure I would do this, but theoretically, you could have one chart on Rhythmic and the other on Tradovate. I I don't do that just because I don't trust technology that much. So, when you're trading uh, to make some money, you want to minimize anything that's gonna cause any problems, from a system failure like I had not too long ago, to just doing stuff that might be kind of risky. Running two data connections probably works okay, but I don't trust Rhythmic all that much, so I wouldn't trust to do both at the same time. Individually, I think you can manage, but yeah, that's what I would recommend. If you already have a funded account, like I do, I have a few accounts already. I have to trade them as Rhythmic accounts. I can't switch them over, so I'm kind of stuck with those. But I am working on some Tradovate funded accounts, and I prefer that only because it has a better data connection. I don't have to worry about Rhythmic. I haven't had any issues with hanging orders and things like that. So I think Tradovate's the way to go. So what I'm gonna do, obviously, I'm gonna keep my funded accounts because they're funded, and I want to be, continue to make money on those. But any new stuff that I want to do, like some 300K accounts, I think I'm gonna get a few of those, and just continue to work towards getting those funded. I'm using automation. Also looking at maybe learning some manual trading too. So I'm kind of using them for different purpose. But that this is a great way to, like again, whatever way you'd like to trade, this is a low risk way to do it. And then once you get funded, then you can start working towards your first payout from Apex Trader funding. So again, I recommend Tradovate. That's what I'm gonna go for. But nothing wrong with Rhythmic if you know how to manage the software, and you're okay with the software. The only drawback is that Rhythmic, it was kind of nice because you had a trader dashboard, and you could see all your accounts and your trades, and it was nice because it was in one nice location. If you had Tradovate accounts, you have to log in into the Tradovate website and look at the activity within Tradovate.com. So you don't get a nice, easy presentation. So Rhythmic's only going to show you Rhythmic accounts. Tradovate Online is only going to show you Tradovate accounts. NinjaTrader will show all of them, but it doesn't show your net P&L. It just shows you gross P&L. So it doesn't show you that. It doesn't show you your trailing drawdown. None of that stuff. So that's the only thing that I wish I could still see for simplicity. Be able to see where I'm at in my different accounts and things like that. But it's a small, um, I don't know, hassle, I guess if you want to call it that. It's just different. You just have to get used to using a different platform to confirm, view your trades and history and things like that. But it runs great on NinjaTrader 8. Tradovate haven't had no issues with the Ripper 1. I haven't tried the older bots, so I can't vouch for that. So I don't know if those are working. But at least the Ripper 1, I know it's been working just fine for me. What else can I say about Tradovate? Tradovate, yeah, you can use it on other platforms. So if you're trading with, like, say, Trading View, you can actually connect to Tradovate. That's kind of cool. Tradovate has its own platform that you can trade through the web. They actually have an app that you can actually use. So it just depends on your style of trading. If you're a person that's always on the go, you don't use automation, and you have other, indicators and things like that on Tradovate or TradingView, you can definitely do that route. But I prefer to use my automation, which is the Ripper One, on NinjaTrader 8, which means I'm limited to just NinjaTrader 8. So, but other than that, folks, I just want to say thank you. Like I said, I had some downtime from being sick to traveling, and then my computer dying. So I can only get a video here and there, but I look to be up and running now. My computer is working. I had to switch out my computer, restore all my files and everything for my video YouTube channel. So I think I'm good. Hopefully, no more issues. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So again, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for those that purchase Apex accounts through my link. I do make a small commission on those. That helps to support the channel, and I appreciate that. And thank you for those that have reached out to me via email. I do try to write when I can. I am kind of busy, so it takes me a while to write back. Um, as far as settings, I always share them on my video, so there's no secret when I trade. I just tell you what I'm doing, and I just share pretty much everything that I know about the software. I pretty much share it on the video, and I'll continue to do that. So with that, have a great Thursday. Weekend's coming up, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Market's been going up after the news earlier this week, so I think, or Wednesday, I can't remember when that was. Wednesday, I think it was. Uh, so we'll see. We'll see if it's going to be a down market, and we can get some nice down moves. I think that's what I'm anticipating, but we never know. Anyway, I haven't talked too much. Have a great Thursday, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Take care now.